The aspects have returned. The forge lies nearby. We must work quickly. The area may not remain secure for long. Let us begin. First, we must activate the forge. Next, we will require cinder shard coals to fuel the forge.
Careful. I detect that some of the coal has been altered by Jaredin magic.
Do not fail me, Bezentus.
All will be ready soon.
You have all done quite well. Now, let us get that forge working.
I need to get closer.
It seems only fitting that my flames secure my destiny.
Too far away.
Aspects watch over you. Victory in all your battles.